Hey, good morning, Bob. Trade Genius, the 5th of August. I'm going to show you a couple charts or pieces of information that is pretty incredible. So I stumbled across this chart from Market Anthropology, and this is showing the silver bubble and the silver bubble crash, the clawback that failed, and then another downdraft, and then so on and so forth. And you know where silver is today, it's basically still down 75% from its high, and it looks like the stock market is tracking on it very closely. It looks like it's a little bit more of a lift, but pretty fascinating in the sense that this is how, when a bubble breaks, and I've always contended that February was probably the high. They're desperately trying to get this thing either to a double top or to poke it through, and this is suggesting that may fail. I'm going to show you another chart in a minute that supports that view, and if that happens, we're looking at probably within 90 days of another pretty big leg down. Now, having said that, take a look at this. Whoops, wrong direction. This is from a guy named Odd Stats on the Twitter feed. Just incredible piece of information. And he posted something in May that said that you don't make a new all-time high, then there's an 8 out of 8 chance that we started into a bear market mode, which is a 20% drop. And then he lists the last time this happened. And now we have basically the Thursday for that clock to tick. And I think it's just fascinating to me is that on Friday, we had Thursday and Friday we had big up days, but the FANGs really didn't participate other than really Apple, and Amazon, and so we may be at a point here where we're just running on fumes. I posted yesterday that, they're trying for all-time highs. It's not really that far away for them to do it, but just keep in mind and keep an eye on this stuff, because if we do fail, there's really nothing there anymore, and the Fed continues to claw back liquidity, which is basically the lifeblood of the stock market. So something may go wrong with the trade negotiations, something may go wrong with what's going on with the Fed. Something may come out of the blue where people just may say, I'm ringing the bell, I had a great run, and then once it goes, it goes. Another thing that came out, I didn't have a chance to cut and paste it, is that the VIX shorts are at extreme position again, and also we've hit the VIX at 11.64%, which is the lowest it's been since the last time the market crashed, which was this this move right here, when we had this move down, in the market. So I think we're close. It's hard to say, exactly when, but I've just been begging people to get more and more cash as you can. I mean, I'm down to just day trading mostly, a few positions here and there, mostly gold and silver miners, taking a shot at some oversold stuff. But I lived through 2008, and I actually lived through 2000, and it gets really frustrating when you just watch these things just downdraft, and your money's just sitting, being managed by somebody else, and you lose 30-40% of your net worth in 6 to 18 months, and you're just thinking it's going to come back, but we're now at the most extreme levels ever. And so look, if the market's giving you some updates, take cash. This is the first time in history that these guys are letting people potentially get out ahead of them. Take advantage of it. Anyway, thanks for listening. TradeLikeAGenius.com if you want to trade with us. We talk about this stuff all day long, and let us help you protect your wealth. Have a great day. Bye-bye.